Hi, and welcome to the Skyscraper Part 3. In the previous videos, we did the first floor, but now we're going to go into the next 3 levels. So let's start with the next one. I'm zooming in using the scroll wheel, and I will use the midpoint with the line tool over here. I'll do it 2 more times. One there. Finally, again, let's find it. There we go. Now, we're going to use an offset tool at 1 foot for each one of these. So at 1 foot, enter. Do the same thing here to the next one. 1 foot, enter. Another one. 1 foot and enter. And then the final one also. It might even snap in place. Yes, it did. Alright, so now we're going to put some materials over here. We'll go to our paint bucket, and we will use a material. Well, let's come in here. We'll just use a color for this one. We won't pick the total black. We'll pick the next one. And I'll go ahead and coat each of these areas. Now we're going to come back. We'll use the glass and mirrors. And from here, we'll use this mirror material. And we will click. It's very nice material. Now, we're going to do the same thing on each of these layers, but I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to just click it one time on each one. That will give us an area that looks kind of like a skyscraper. If I orbit it, you can see that the mirror looks really nice on these areas. You could leave it just like that, but let's make it a little bit fancier. We're going to use the offset tool to help ourselves on the edges. So in this case, we'll come back to the offset, and we will come in, and let's go with 2 feet this time. And we'll do the same thing with the upper area. I'll just use that hand tool to help move it just a little bit. The offset tool, and there we are at 2 feet. Now we're going to fill those areas in using the paint bucket with the same color that we had before. An easy way to do that is to go into the model and see what color we just had. So I'll pick that color, and I will choose that. And now you can see that it has kind of a nice look to the side there. We'll do the same thing with the offsets on each one of these other sides, and you'll start to see that it has a really nice look to it. So let me do that, and then we'll finish the video. And I'll do the same thing here. There we go. And finally, we will use the colors. And you can see that from the side that makes it look really nice. That mirror divides it out so that it looks as if we have lots of windows, even when we don't. I can repeat the same procedure here for the other edges. Thank you.